Lewis here from EASYJoint, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use EASYJoint Original. We're here in Suffolk at this beautiful installation by Tony Friend Landscapes, so let's get into it. So in terms of tooling, you don't need a great deal. You need a water supply, a tuck or a pointing iron, and a broom. The water, what it does is it helps to install the product. It protects the stone from any temporary oil residue staining, and it gives you a bit more playtime. Because EASYJoint is an air curing product, by keeping it wet, it's not going to cure. The pointing and tucking irons, we use these because we want to compact as much product into the joints for a stronger, more durable joint. And the broom, well, you're not going to do it with your hands, are you? Right, so to get started, what we need to do is take the product out of the tub. These can be a bit of a challenge sometimes to open. I find the easiest way for me is just to pull on the handle and with my thumb push on the top of the tub. That way I can just pull the lid straight away. It saves my fingers on the corner. Inside you will find the vacuum sealed product and the instructions. It's a vacuum sealed product because it is an air curing product. As soon as you cut the bag open, the product will start to cure, which is why we use plenty of water in the installation. So once you've got the product out of the bag and onto the paving, you want to get it nice and wet. When using EASYJoint, you can't use too much water. In fact, the wetter the better. Using plenty of water makes it easier to install, and it also protects the natural stone from any oil residue staining. So once you've wetted the product, what you need to do now is start sweeping it into the joints. It's definitely worth pre-soaking the areas before you work in them. With natural stone, it does act like a sponge, so by pre-soaking the area, you are preventing against oil residue stains, and it does make the product go into the joints a lot easier. Remember, we're keeping it wet as we go. This can be installed by one person, or by having at least two of you, one guy on the broom, one guy wetting it up. It's going to make it a lot easier. So you'll notice as I'm sweeping it in, I'm not just doing one single pass, I'm passing the material over 2 or 3 times. You will find that as you start to add more material and it compacts to the bottom of the joint, you will need to make sure it fills right up to the surface. So that's us now done here in a not so sunny Suffolk anymore. Last few bits to do is just to rinse over the surface of the stone, just to make sure there's no loose EASYJoint. And it's also a good idea to run around with your pointing iron or your tuck iron, just to compress the joints. A stronger, more durable joint is achieved by tucking it. That's going to last you many years. So we're back 48 hours after the installation of our EASYJoint mushroom. Have a look at asbex.co.uk for full installation instructions. But the joints are now set solid. You can now enjoy your patio and have a nice glass of wine in the sun. We'll see you on the next one.